So for the last few weeks, I've been spending time in Lisbon, Portugal, exploring and just taking in the city. This is my first time actually visiting Portugal, and I already know this won't be the last time here in Lisbon. We'll be starting in the neighborhood of Estrela. That's because that's where I am staying, and I'll be making my way down to or near the coast. Having been here for a while now, it's really cool to see how much the city changes as you sort of, walk through the streets. I'll be using the Ricoh IIIx for this photo walk. It's been a great camera for this trip. I actually plan to do a little follow-up video talking about how this camera works for travel and street photography. So stay tuned for that video. For now, I hope you guys enjoy this little slice of my trip here in Lisbon. Before we start, today's video is sponsored by Borrow Lenses. For those of you thinking about making a big camera purchase, or you're unsure whether or not a lens or camera is right for you, renting that gear out first is a great idea, and Borrow Lenses is making that rental process stress-free and easy for anyone. They have a wide array of different cameras, lenses, lighting equipment, and filmmaking gear for any type of project. I rented out the Leica Q2, and the camera arrived in its own dedicated Pelican case with easy-to-follow instructions on how to return the camera back. So whether you're looking to try out the latest Fujifilm cameras or find a new lens to shoot with, make sure to check out Borrow Lenses and rent the gear out with them first. You can use the code Faisal and get 20% off your first rental. Off to a really good start. Trying to think of an interesting way to photograph this wall. I might be wrong, but I think, or at least since I've been here, I feel like yellow is the main color of Lisbon. I just see a lot of yellow. Maybe there is a reason behind it, not really sure. Okay, let's go up here. want to go up there. Look at the way the clothes drying just creates these amazing shadows. Actually, I walked down this street a few days ago. There should be some good photos down here. I hear a motorcycle coming.
Watch your videos.
No way.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
You alright?
Making a video right now. Welcome.
I'm
gonna start heading towards a busier part of town. I got it. He asked me if I wanted it to go or here, and I said here, but he gave me to go, so gotta find a place to eat this. There's not a lot of public seating in Lisbon. I don't want to sit on someone's porch and get arrested. Oh, no way. It's a little bench. So this is the famous pastel de nata. Probably butchering that. Pastel de nata, pasta de nata. Anyway, it's a pastry that has a custard filling, and it's delicious. It's probably like the 10th one I've had so far on this trip. You know what I just realized? It's a lime tree. There's limes growing on this tree. That is so cool. Or are they limes? No. Oranges? No, it's an orange tree. Ugh. Stay.
Hello, can we look together?
I don't know, maybe you can see what I'm seeing right here.
boy coming